Welcome to this breathtaking custom-built home. Here you'll experience gorgeous views of the Columbia River by day and ship lights by night. Located in a quiet, tranquil Oregon coast town near Astoria, this two-story home is situated on half an acre and is beautifully landscaped. Heading inside, you'll discover an open layout with vaulted ceilings, laminate floors, and tons of natural light. There's plenty of space for family and friends with two separate family rooms. Enjoy the new carpet and a charming kitchen. On the upper level, you'll find a large master suite where you can wake up to river views. Plus, there's two more bedrooms and another full bath. Entertain on the deck and enjoy the expansive yard, ready for family fun, relaxing, or growing your garden. It's just a short distance from outdoor attractions, including Hammond Marina, the gateway to the Columbia River. A beautiful custom home where you can enjoy river views in this serene and tranquil setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Michael Davis with Premier Property Group at 503-440-2747.